your first thoughts were when you heard that High Point University was going to be featured on national TV?
Oh, I thought it was about time. Everybody needs to know about this school.
High Point is such a gem.
I can't believe we haven't done it already.
The people here are really what makes things matter, and those came in the form of mentors and friends.
The whole High Point University is family.
My parents love the God, family, country values, that this is a safe campus, the facilities are world class, everything here is of the highest quality.
I'm grateful for all that HPU has given me. If I hadn't gone here, I wouldn't have been as successful as I am now.
High Point really does give you those core life skills and really gives you the opportunity to grow here.
I will always find that way to be extraordinary.
Hopefully students out there listening will be able to say like, oh, this is something that I can get involved in and be able to make a bigger mark on my college career because of it.
You're going to be on national TV. Millions of people are going to see you on Amazon Prime. Are you ready for the fame that's coming your way?
I think Sophia's ready.
I'm ready for it.
The lights, the cameras, living out my inner childhood dreams. I feel like a celebrity.